Hello and welcome to this ultimate guide to AI. In this video, we'll be covering everything you need to know about artificial intelligence, from its history and development to its current applications and future potential. My name is Sarah, and I'll be your guide through this exciting and rapidly evolving field. Section 1. What is AI? So let's start with the basics. What exactly is AI? At its core, artificial intelligence refers to machines or computer programs that can perform tasks that typically require human intelligence, such as learning, problem-solving, decision-making, and natural language processing. But how did we get here? Let's take a look at the history of AI. Section 2. The history of AI. AI has been around for decades, but it wasn't until the 1950s that researchers began developing algorithms and models that could simulate human thought processes. From there, progress in the field accelerated rapidly, with breakthroughs in areas like machine learning and neural networks paving the way for today's advanced AI systems. Section 3. Current applications of AI. So where do we stand today? Well, AI is already being used in a wide range of industries and applications, from healthcare and finance to transportation and entertainment. Some examples include virtual assistants like Siri and Alexa, self-driving cars, fraud detection algorithms in banking systems, personalized recommendations on streaming platforms like Netflix or Spotify. Section 4. Future potential of AI. But what about the future? Many experts believe that we're only scratching the surface when it comes to what AI can do. Some predict that we'll see major breakthroughs in areas like natural language processing or computer vision in the coming years. Others envision a world where AI is integrated into every aspect of our lives, from our homes and workplaces to our healthcare and education systems. Conclusion. So there you have it, a brief overview of the history, current applications, and future potential of AI. I hope this video has given you a better understanding of this exciting field and its many possibilities. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them below. And as always, thank you for watching.